Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon. So, how are you? All are fine?
Good
I am
afternoon,
fine,
ma'am.
thank you.
I am fine, thank you, ma'am.
Fine. Okay, so children, today I told you to revise chapter 1.1 circle and its parts. So, I hope you are ready. You have revised well. Yes? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Nia, can you tell me what is a circle?
A circle
Nia?
is a simple closed figure with no edges or corners.
Very good. Circle is a simple closed curve or closed figure with no edges or corners. Okay. Rahul? Can you tell me what is radius, Rahul? Rahul Krishna? Radius?
Ma'am, can I?
Radius.
Yes.
Rahul is going to
can
tell now. Rahul is going to tell. Okay, Tejasri, wait. Yes, Rahul, radius. We have learned, you look at the figure. Remember the figure you will get.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Tejasri, help Rahul. Rahul, I will ask you again. Listen. Yes, Tejasri.
The line segment drawn from center to any edge of the circle is
Okay, very good.
called
Line
radius.
segment drawn from the center. Line segment drawn from the center to any edge, any one point. Okay, Rahul, can you repeat? Radius.
Segment drawn from
From where?
the center.
Yes, from the center to any one point. Okay, so children, the line segment drawn from the center to any one point. So that is called radius. Okay, Benedict, can you tell me a diameter? Diameter. Can you define diameter?
Okay, ma'am. The line segment drawn from one point on a circle to another and passing through the center is
Look at me and tell. Look at me and tell. It's a line segment. And it is passing through the center. Okay. It is a line segment joining 2 points. But it should pass through the center. It should pass through the center. So that is called center. Okay.
From one point on a circle.
See children, by heart. Listen, understand. Now after this, I will give you a figure. You have to identify what is chord, what is diameter. Okay, so line segment. It is a line segment joining 2 points and it passes through the center. Ishan,
Yes,
can you tell me what is a chord? Chord.
A chord is a line segment that joins any 2 points on a circle.
Very good. Now look at me and tell. Look at me and tell.
A
It's a line
chord
segment.
is a line segment that joins any 2 points on a
Yes,
circle.
children, very easy. It is a chord means it is a line segment that joins any 2 points on the circle. Okay, so you know center means that is a fixed point. Radius means it is a line segment starting from center to 1 point. Diameter means it is also joining 2 points, but it should pass through the center. Chord means what? It's a line segment joining 2 points. Okay, so children, all of you take out your rough book. I will give you a figure, a circle. You have to identify the parts. And children, no need to take your compass. Draw one rough figure. Rough figure. The rough book we are doing rough figure, yes?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so children, I will draw one figure. I am also drawing one rough figure. Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, children, I will. Okay. No, let me take another one. Okay, now I will take another figure from here. Shapes. Okay, so this is a figure of a circle. Now, what you are going to do? You are going to identify. Here I give O, letter O. Here I will give A. So children,
A.
here I will give BC. Okay, BC. Here I will give you DE.
Ma'am, we want to write
You have to draw a rough figure and mark all these points and listen to my question. Identify. First one, center.
DE.
B, radius. Radii means, but I am writing here radius. You can write many. How much you have to identify the radius. We discussed everything. It's a line segment, starting from where, and you have to name that here. Next one, chords. See children, you have to write the question also. Okay, question, draw the figure, then you are going to identify. Diameter.
Center is equal to radius. RADIUS. Radius is equal to A, B, C, D. Chords.
Okay, children. So you have to identify which is the center here from the given figure and radius, chords, diameter. Okay. Then I will write question number 2. You will write the questions. Then you will start writing the answers. Question number 2. Find diameter.
Ma'am, we want to write identify center, radius,
Yes, you have
chord,
to write everything. You have to write. This is a question. You have to write and you have to write the answer also. Find diameter if radius equal to 6 centimeter. Listen to the question clearly. What is you given and what you have to find. Here, find diameter if radius equal to 6 centimeter. Question number 3. Find radius. Find radius.
Ma'am,
if-
question number 2, we need to write the sentence.
This is a question. Yes.
We
Find the answer.
need to write in the sentence in the workbook.
Answer. You are writing in the rough book. Find out the answer only. Okay. No need of sentence.
Okay, ma'am.
Find radius if diameter is equal to.
X.
Diameter, I will give you 24 centimeter. 24 centimeter. Find radius if diameter is equal to 24 centimeter.
Multiplied by 6.
Bhagya, Shebha, Nobin, Ajwa. Turn on your camera. Yes, Bhagya is there. Sheba, Nobin and Ajwa, I cannot see you.
Ma'am, in second and third question, we should write the question.
Yes, question. We need to write the question. It's not big question. If you look at the question, you will. It is very easy for you to write the answer also. Okay, now Aradhya, we will discuss question number 1.
Ma'am, I didn't.
Did you finish question number 1? Yes.
Yes,
Ah.
ma'am.
Okay. So the children, if you have not finished question number 2 and 3, no problem. Now all of you please check whether your answer is correct for question number 1. Okay, Aradhya, tell me which is the center. Oh, very good. Look here, children. Here, the center, that is the middle point. So, which is the middle point here? Oh. Okay, check whether your answer is correct or wrong. Okay, Zain Xavier. Zain Xavier.
Ma'am.
Look at the picture and tell me the radius.
Ma'am,
Radii.
A.
So, how we will say OA? It's a line segment.
Okay.
A, only OA?
Yeah. Ma'am, can I?
Let me
Ma'am,
see
can
whether
I
he finished.
see?
O, C,
Can I
yes.
take the
O, C. O,
And OB.
C. Okay, then
OB.
OB, very good. OB. So, children, what is radius? We already finished discussing the definition. So, it is a line segment joining center and any one point. So, look here. This is a line segment joining center and one point on the edge of the circle. And here A. Here also this is a line segment joining the center and one point. And look here. This is also a line segment joining the center O and one point. So, children, you can check whether your answer is correct. So, we have 3 radii, OA, OC, and OB. Okay. Now, Ardra, next one, Ardra.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you identify the codes? 1 minute to go. Yes, Aiden.
Second and third question, we want to write the sentence.
You have to write the question, yes. Now, first listen to the question number 1, the answer. Then only do that, okay? Yes,
Okay,
Ardra.
ma'am.
Can you identify these chords? Identify the chord. DE. See, children, what is a chord? It is a line segment joining 2 points, D and E. So, this is a DE. This is a line segment. So, the answer is DE, okay?
BC.
Very good. BC. See, children, BC is the line segment and it also joins 2 points. So, we can say BC. That is also a chord. And only this much. OA. What is that? OA. Children, what is that OA?
Radius.
Radius. Radius we finished. Radius means what? It is joining from the center. Center to any one point. That we already discussed. OA, OB, OC and all. Now, chord means it joins how many points? 2 points. So, BC and DE. So, children, BC is also called. What is that? Look here. What is the diameter here?
Longest chord.
Diameter is the longest chord. Fatima, can you identify which is the diameter from the picture given?
And BC.
BC, yes, children. This is a chord and also it is passing, look here, passing through the center. So, diameter is BC.
C.
Okay, is that clear, children? It is the line segment that join 2 points. Also, it should pass through the center. So, the answer is BC. Now, tell me, how many children got all these A, B, C, D correct?
And can
I can see. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. All of you got? Is there anybody got mistake? Is there anybody got mistake here in any A, B, C, D?
Ma'am, I was late. What should we do, ma'am?
Shesa, we are doing revision. So, I was showing the questions here. I will share it again. So, what you have to do, you have to copy that to your rough book, Shesa. Then write the answers. So, children, this is easy. You are able to identify the parts from the given picture. Yes, children? Yes. Yes. So, you can write question number 2 and 3 also, the answers. Sheza, copy these questions and write the answers in the rough book.
Ma'am,
Ah.
in 2 and 3 we want to write the answer only.
1 minute, I am not able to hear. Who is speaking?
Ma'am, Dan.
Yes, Dan, what did you say?
Ma'am, in 2, the question 2 and 3 we want to write the answer only.
Write the question also. This question is not that much long. Find diameter if radius is given. Find radius if diameter is given. You have to write the question plus answer.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, the question number 2, we did not write the problem.
You have to write. In the rough book, we are doing in the rough book.
Ma'am, ma'am, I finish.
Finish. Okay, wait.
Ma'am, I finish question number 2 and 3.
Okay, very good. Those who are not finished, complete it faster. Okay, Ahlam, can you tell me by which letter we can denote the diameter? By which letter? Yes, Ahlam.
D.
By which letter we will denote diameter?
D.
D. Small letter.
Small letter
Small
D.
letter
Small
D.
letter D.
Okay. Then, by which letter we can denote the radius?
Small letter R.
Small letter
Small
R.
letter R.
Okay. Now tell me the relation between diameter and radius.
The biggest radius.
That is the longest chord. Okay.
2.
D is equal to, children, yes?
2. Double R.
Double R means 2 times R. Okay, 2 into R. So find out the answer here. You know D is equal to 2 into R. That means here 2 into, what is given here? R equal to.
Ma'am, 6.
Tell me the answer.
Ma'am,
Ah,
6. Ma'am, 2 R, we can write R into 2.
R into 2, 2 into R, same. Tell me the answer, final answer.
6. 12
6 is the radius. So 2 times 6, 12 centimeter. Okay. Check whether you got this answer. Okay, all of you. So children, diameter D is equal to 2 into R. We can write R into 2 also. And diameter is given by 2 times R. Here I have given 6. So 2 times that answer is 12. 6 2s are 12. Check your answers, okay? Some children, your videos are off.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Okay.
my 3. Ma'am, my second and third
Finish. Okay, we are discussing the answers, so you have to check. You have to do this all alone, okay? And only final answer you have to check from the board.
Ma'am, can I
Amrin,
tell the
okay.
third answer?
Third also you have to do. Amrin,
Ma'am,
tell me radius R is equal to, here what we have to do, you have to find out radius. What is given? Diameter is given. So R is equal to
2R is equal to D divided by 2.
very good. D divided by 2. R is equal to.
Write 2R. Ma'am, you did not write 2R.
2R we have written here too because we have to find out diameter. Here what we are going to find out? Radius. So radius, she told me already correct. D divided by 2. So here 24 divided by 2. Find out the answer and tell me.
Ma'am, 12. Ma'am,
12 centimeter. 12 centimeter.
12 centimeter.
Okay. So children, please check whether your answer is correct. So question number 2, we have 12 centimeter. Question number 3 also, we have 12 centimeter.
Ma'am,
Ah.
ma'am, in the question number 3. Question number 3. Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in the question number 3, I write 2R is equal to D divided by 2. That is wrong.
2 r, no. We have to write r equal to, because here children we are finding out radius only, not 2r. 2r means what? That is diameter itself. So r is equal to d divided by 2. 2r means what? Diameter itself. What we have to find out? Radius. So radius means what is the formula? It is only half of diameter. Half of diameter. So 24 divided by 2, the answer is 12. Okay.
Ma'am, for that,
Yes, children, did you get all this answer? Question number 1, 2, 3?
Yes.
Is correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So children, if we have to find out the diameter, we have to write
Ma'am,
D is
page
equal
number.
to 2R. Asra, you joined now. We are doing the revision, not in the page. We are doing in the rough book. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So children, diameter is equal to 2 times R. But if you want to find out radius only, what we have to do? Divide by 2. So, did you get the answer? Yes? Yes, children? Benedict, is there any problem? Your video is coming upside down.
Ma'am, can
Ah.
you share the screen again?
Yes? Screen again. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, do it again. Check your answers. Those who joined late, please check the recorded classes. Okay? Because of the network, maybe. Okay, children, question number 1, 2, 3. I hope it's over. Yes?
Ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
Now, those who joined late, you can see the classes, okay, later. Now, let me see, who can I ask? Adish. The dash divides a circle into 2 halves.
Diameter.
Very good. Diameter. Diameter divides the circle into 2 halves. And these 2 halves are called. Who can tell me? Ah,
Ma'am, can I?
yes, Tejasri.
Ma'am, can I?
Ah, semicircle. Very good. Semicircle. Okay. Now, Aiden, can you tell me concentric circles? What do you mean by concentric circles?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, can I take
Wait, Tejasri. Aiden is saying
Ma'am,
concentric circles. Hmm.
concentric circle means they have one center but different radius.
Very good. It have one center means that is same center. Same center but different radii. Okay. Same center, different radii. Now children, question number 4. You have to take out your compass. Question number 4.
We want
Draw.
to write in rough book.
A rough book itself. Rough book itself. Draw.
We should write the question also.
Yes.
With the compass.
Let me see compass and rough book. Everyone is. Asra, keep the baby down. Otherwise, how you will draw? Okay. Compass. Otherwise, she will also get hurt. So be compass and rough book. Now radius 5 centimeter. Measure using your ruler. In the rough book, you are drawing. In the rough book. Asra, Shasa, Nobin, Ahlam, all of you turn on your camera. And let me see whether you are drawing now. Draw a circle. I will write here on the board. Circle of radius 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. This is not a rough figure. You have to exactly measure from your ruler. 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. Exactly from the ruler using compass. You are drawing this figure.
Ma'am, we should write the question.
Yeah, write the question. I told you from the beginning. Why again and again doubt? It's a very simple. Draw a circle of radius 5 centimeters. So after some time, if you want to see what all things we have revised, you can see the question. Then only you will remember. Okay. Okay, who finished? Can show me now.
Ma'am,
I means?
Ma'am, 5 centimeters.
Benedict. Okay, Benedict. Okay, wait, children, I will see. Yes, Benedict. Okay, very good. Now, can you name the sender O and join the radius? Yes. Okay, now who is going to show me?
Ma'am, can I add it? Rahul.
Yes, Rahul.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, very good. Now, all the children, please try to name the sender and any you can join one's line segment. Yes, Aradhya, let me see. Yes. See, all of you look at Aradhya. She has named the sender O. Now, Aradhya, name which edge is joining on the circle. Can you name there that radius? You have done center O. Now, what is the name you can give to other end of that line segment?
We have to
You can give anything. OA. Yes, Abdul, you have to draw radius 5 centimeter. In the
some network issues are there.
Okay, so your question is this.
In the
Abdiel,
which book,
this
ma'am?
rough book, rough book, Abdiel. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ishan, can you show me your circle? Where is Ishan showing me? Okay, let me see.
Ma'am, can you see? Ma'am?
I told you to draw only one. I didn't tell you to draw diameter. So, did you measure it using the ruler? Is it 5 centimeters?
Yes.
5 centimeters. Okay, okay.
Ma'am, Benedict.
Ma'am, can I show? Can I show?
Ma'am, Benedict.
Yes, Benedict. Now, Zain is showing me. Zain.
Ma'am, can I show? Ma'am, can I show?
Finished.
I will call by name. Let me see. All of you show like this. Zain, I can see Amrin, Bhagya, Dave, Benedict, Ahlam. Very good, all of you. Jovial. Yes, Sardra, Kalbi, Stenin. Yes, children. So you understood how to draw a circle with radius 5 centimeter. Now, Nia, can you tell me what is concentric circles? Concentric.
Ma'am,
Ah.
center different radii.
Circles with
Ring circles are circles with same center
same center but different radii.
radii.
Okay, so children, you are going to draw one more circle. So it becomes a concentric circle. Now, where you will draw inside this figure, inside this circle, you have finished now one circle with 5 centimeter. Now you will take 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter inside this, keep the same center O. Keep the same center O. And what is the radius? New radius here, it is 2 centimeter. So first one you have done, children, 1. Then we have marked here O. Yes. You have marked here O. Then you have done, that is, for example, you can give any name, OA, 5 centimeter. Now what you are going to do, keep the same center, draw one radius 2 centimeter inside this figure. Understood the question? Amrin, over the concentric circle?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you show me?
Question.
1 minute, Amrin. Okay, let me see. 1 minute.
Ma'am, can I Rahul show? Rahul can show.
Yes, Amrin. Okay, children. So there is a circle. Inside the circle of 5 centimeter, we can see one small circle with radius 2 centimeter. Very good. Okay.
Benedict. Ma'am, can I Benedict? Ma'am, can I Benedict?
Wait. Let me see. Okay, show me. Aradhya. Yes. Benedict. Okay, Benedict, let me spotlight. Yes, Benedict. Okay, children. Okay, so here radius is 5 centimeter. That is for the bigger one. Now, can you name this small circle also the radius? Or if you have finished OA, you can do OB. OB.
Ma'am, can I show?
Ah, who is going? Yes, Jovial is going to show me. Jovial. 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay, very good. Jovial. Yes, Jovial, I can see.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I show?
Dave John. Okay, Dave John. I know we have already seen the video and we have practiced this. Now we are, yes, who is showing me? Dave?
Ma'am, can I?
Dave, make little more down. Yes. Yes, children, 2 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Dave, you can give the name.
Yes.
O, sender O, and the radius also OA or OB. Any name. If you want to give OD or like OF, any name, but you can name the center and the radius. Okay, children?
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, Eden.
Aiden, I can now show me. I can see from there. Yes. Show me in the camera. Okay. Yes, Mohammad Izan, Tejasri.
Can I?
Yes, Anna Rose, Mohammad Izan. Okay, okay, Ardra. Yes, I'm seeing.
Can I know?
Yes, Nobin, show me. Yes, Nobin.
Ma'am, can I stain it?
Okay, see children, I can see that. So it's very easy. Concentric circles we have done with the same center but different radii. Okay, Eden, Ardra, dance, chaining, I can see all that. Okay, very good. Now, my question to Abdiel. Abdiel, can you tell me, are all the radii of a circle equal in length? Are all the radii of a circle? Yes, very good. See, children, we have many, we can say infinite number of radii, and all these radii are equal in length. See, children, we know that center is a fixed point and it is at the same distance from any point on the circle. Very good. And what about the diameters? They are also same length. Okay. Now, who can tell me what are the different instruments inside the geometric box?
Ma'am,
Yes, Anandita. Anandita.
appendage.
Anandita is going to tell me.
Ma'am, compass,
Compass.
divider,
Yes.
protractor,
Protractor. Then
ruler,
ruler.
sharpener.
Sharpener, set square. We have done all. We have seen that. Okay, wait. 1 minute. 1 minute.
Ma'am,
1
can I
minute. Okay. Okay, so we have done.
Ma'am, I can't see it.
Wait. You cannot see the board. Wait. So you can see this. So I'm going to clear this. Wait. Okay, so set square, divider, compass, protractor, etc. Okay. Now, children, by which instrument we used to draw a circle?
Compass.
Okay. Okay, so children, we were revising chapter 1.1 and we can see many practice questions in your workbook. So you will try to do, then we will later on we will discuss that practice question. So let me take the attendance. Okay. 1 minute. Just practice that practice questions. Okay, children, now we are going to wind up the class. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you. See you. Have a nice day.
See you, ma'am. Bye-bye. See
Bye.
you. Bye.